Are you finding it difficult to connect your TV to internet? Let me show you how to do that real quick. The cable we are going to use is called LAN cable. It has these 2 points, but before you can use this cable to connect, you have to get a router. So if you are using Wi-Fi, it means you can only connect through wireless connectivity, or if you are using hotspot, you can only use the wireless connectivity. But if you are using router, you have another advantage of using the LAN cable to connect. So let me show you how you connect. So I'm gonna stick my LAN cable in my port at the back of the smart TV. Then at the back of the router, I'll connect it to one of the LAN ports here. The moment you stick it in, this light will start blinking, meaning the two devices are communicating, the router and the smart TV. On the TV, it shows LAN cable is connected. Do you want to set it up? You just click on yes and you are good to go. The easiest way to do that is to click on select the yes and then click on it. The TV will be connected to the internet. Very simple and quick. Another way to connect it when you don't get that notification is to go to your settings, go to all settings, go to connections. You select connection, then you select network. So on the network, you select network settings. You see it's connected. But if it is not connected, if you didn't get the notification, you just select wired connectivity and the system will try to connect it on its own. That's how to connect your smart TV to your internet source using LAN cable.